Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 7 of being productive in coding, and today I am going to solve problem number 287, find the duplicate number. This is medium level problem. If you know how to use hashmap and its methods, this problem would be very super simple for you. So let's take the example for this one. You can see in this array 2 is the repeated number and we need to return the 2, and the next one 3 is the repeated number and we need to return the 3, and the last example you can see entire array itself is repeated by 3, so we need to return the 3. This is basically the problem statement, and here at last you can see the lead code is asking us to solve this problem in linear runtime complexity, that means order of n. Let's start the problem, and they didn't mention any kind of space. Okay, let's use hash map then. So hash map, let's see the topics once. Okay, they use two pointers, binary search and bit manipulation array. Okay, I would like to use hash map. Hash map, hash map stores key value page, right? Integer hm equal to new hash map. So I have initialized the hash map. Hash map stores the elements in key value pairs. So both our key and value are in integer data type. So I have used here integer. And now for I'm using for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So basically the elements that are present in the nums array we are going to store in our hash map. Store in the sense we are going to put in our hash map. So hm dot put nums of I and the frequency of that element. For this there is one method called hm dot get or default method. Default nums of I comma 0 plus 1. Basically it is doing, it will in key it is storing the element of the uh, element. I mean, what I'm trying to say is, in in our hash map, this key is nothing but our array elements 1 3 4 2 2, and after that as a value it is storing the frequency of that element. Now in the first for loop, now I equal to 0, right? Nums of 0, it is 1, so 1 comma the frequency of the 1. As of now the frequency of the 1 is 1, right? So it will store 1, 1 comma 1. And in the next loop I equal to 1, right? So nums of 1 is 3, so 3 comma, as of now 3 is not at as of now 3 is not at repeated, right? So it will give nums of 1, so frequency of 3 is 1. In this way it will store our values in our hash map. Now when it reaches to 2, after this 2, the for 2 the frequency is 1, and the next loop when it goes to nums of 0 1 2 3 4, nums of 4, it will give you 2 comma, and previously the hash map stores the frequency of 2 as 1, right? When it sees that again the number 2, it will just update the count as 2, because we are adding plus 1, right? Get that element. If it is not there, just add it 0 plus 1. If it is there means add plus 1. For that's why we have to use plus 1 here. So this is the main statement for this method. It will just update the frequency count of the array elements. Now in our hash map the elements are there, and our frequency count is also there. Now we can simply write another for loop I plus plus, and here we need to if check whether if hm dot get nums of I, if the frequency count is greater than or equal to 2 means, because you can see here numbers are repeated not only two times but more than two. For that's why I am giving greater than or equal to 2. If the nums of I is greater than or equal to 2, just return that element. If it's not, you can keep return 0. Let's see. So the test cases are passed. Now I'm going to submit this one. So it passed. You can also do this through two pointers approach by using slow and fast pointer. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.